Before we get into the company that you want to discuss, I am now a shareholder, Chris, of ServiceNow again.
Good. Great,
I'm
man.
now a shareholder of ServiceNow again.
I mean, I think ServiceNow is probably one of the easier things to buy in this market. I mean, I think there's definitely some rational selling of SaaS, but there's also irrational selling. Like cybersecurity has recovered nicely. Did you see that? Like CrowdStrike, Palo
Mhm.
Alto,
See
Fortinet,
Fortinet?
they're all
Yeah.
up. Yeah, they're up like 40% in 30 days, So people realize that the one thing businesses the fault tolerances that businesses have to vibe coded products are very, very little. I don't know if you saw the interview with the guys from, I think, Coffee Can Investing, something like that, with
No.
Josh Brown. Did you see Josh
Oh,
Brown, the
Josh Brown.
compound?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I listened to it. Yes.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
I
he's
think they
talking
made
about
a,
software companies for the next 30 years for his daughter. I agree.
yeah. Because the thing is, when you think about enterprise software, we don't look at just the price. Like you've been a purchaser of software. You're not looking for the lowest price software. You're looking for the one that's going to give you the most reliability and sense of comfort knowing that if anything goes wrong, this company is there to stand behind you and help you fix the issue so it doesn't impact your actual business. Because the last thing you want to do is have, like you take a software, you try to save 20% on the software, and what happens? You lose 80% of your business because the software screwed you over. So I think Karp actually outlined this during his earnings call as well with Sham. They kind of said like you can't have AI slop, and so a lot of companies that think you can just replace a lot of these software companies just randomly, it's not going to work out very well for companies that do that. I'm not saying that new software can't be developed, but there's a certain level of inbuilt safety and security that comes from legacy software that prevents you from moving off of it as quickly as the market is kind of determining right now. So even if there are certain software products that theoretically could get disrupted, I think that the amount of time that it would take for that disruption to happen is so far out, we can't even make that assessment today. Instead, I think the key to it is just focusing on those businesses that are system of record businesses that are probably going to capitalize on AI and are able to sell more services and increase the value and increase the TAM, which is exactly what ServiceNow did. I mean, think of it this way. ServiceNow bought Armis, which is a cybersecurity firm, while all of this was happening, which is a great thing because now if you have cybersecurity going up in value, it tells you that, hey, they just made a good acquisition, right?
Cybersecurity is only going to continue to get hardened, and you're going to need to spend so much more on it in the age of AI. So I am very bullish ServiceNow.